Okay, let me demo the validation data bind feature. This should be a pretty short demo. As you know, when we record a form fill or any sort of data entry in Boozang, we by default data bind it to the parameter space. So you can send parameters to test and of course change the test data to improve usability. So in this case, I'm also going to show how we do this for validations, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the lab. So that's the lab.boozang.com. And I'm going to go ahead and just create the test that is called add validate to do. And if you want to open up the lab here, you can see that this one is under sorted list, okay? So what we're going to do here, I'm going to go to the URL sorted list, and as you can see, you just click on the link and you see that the page is being reloaded, so we're on the right page. Let's say we have no to-do items, and I'll just go ahead and record here, and I'll add an item called, for instance, feed the cat, okay? And I'm going to use the tab here to make sure that this is recorded individually, and then I click add to do. That's good because now we will have a separate set action and a separate click action. That's what we want to have here. And as you see here, we also have this validation here. So I'm just going to go ahead and validate that feed the cat was added. So I'm just going to click on the validation and on feed the cat. What's cool here is, of course, that as you can see is the add new to do, data bounded into dollar parameter add new to do, and the validation automatically uses dollar parameter add to do. So if I go ahead, delete this and run this test, it should execute successfully. And that's not so strange, it would do it otherwise as well, but now of course I have a fully reusable test. So here, instead of feed the cat, I can add feed the dog under test setting parameter. So I set feed the dog instead, and I'll run this. And as you can see, it also passes. So it means that both the add action and the validation action is data bounded into data. Of course, you could do this manually by inserting here the double bracket and parameter and the variable name, but it's kind of nice to have this done automatically for you, so it can save you some time.